Working President ga UDP ba polang da ula ong ba umpat yo jing tip kepentikna ba rusya Sngew na ke Khlieng ke Tyngab ba kidan GMA ke UDP patmu ba nai Rung ni se ke BJP ba keren mata ke Sngew ba pol ong ba umra ba ong jrong hal ga ni namar ba yo jing tip ai ha ka ju pol ong ba ga jinglang mata ke Sngew UDP ka tha yo President bo dei ban khot no ai ga parliamentary party meeting jong baro GMA ba thil ye kren haro ki mat babun be dai bagi jing jo game kum ju jong ko party haro kani ki jing dai ba soka barki pat ki kam
regarding current situation.
There are talks going on about this some rumblings related to UDP and all. So, do you see such in UDP as of now?
There are rumblings in almost everything, but those are being debated and discussed as we speak.
Was there any talk about rumblings?
Yeah, the focus is on strengthening the bonding within the party. So, yeah, that was the tone and tenor of the discussion.
But today, was there any talk about the differences amongst the UDP legislators?
No, the view of the council is that the party president should immediately call PP, meaning the parliamentary party, and discuss all grievances aired by the MLAs in the PP.
And sir, how far is it true? Because some information are coming that a group from UDP are planning to merge with BJP. Is there any truth in that?
I've only heard rumors, but I am not in a position to comment since I don't have much information.